Sesame Street, kindness makes the world go round. Elmo wakes up to a bright cherry sun. The day was brand new. He was ready for fun. It was not his birthday, but there on the floor was a gift wrapped in paper and ribbons galore. Inside was a camera, and attached was a note. It was from Elmo's mommy, and on it she wrote, "Here is a gift for my boy, and there is a reason. Though it's not your birthday or the holiday season, it's World Kindness Day, a day to show caring, a day to be thoughtful, forgiving and sharing. I'm giving to you, for you're sweeter than sweet. Now go capture kindness on Sesame Street." Elmo looked all around. Then a thought came to mind. What kinds of kindness might Elmo soon find? Those who are friendly or thoughtful or giving. He wanted to go see where kindness was living. All through the day, Elmo learned many things, like how Big Bird showed kindness with just his two wings, holding the door for friends half his size, or perhaps even smaller. They are such tiny guys. The best gifts are ones that are given with love, be they camera or flowers or old baseball gloves. The thought is what counts at the end of the day, even if grouches don't like rose bouquets. Elmo learned something simple like sharing a sweater can brighten a day and make the world better. That kindness is not just about what we show to friends that we love or to the people we know. Kindness is something we can give everyone, every person or thing that lives under the sun. From the birds in the sky to worms in the ground, kindness is what makes the world go around. Cookies and milk, please. Elmo photographed cookies. The flash was so bright, and remembered the value of being polite. No matter the monster, no matter the place, to say please and then thank you will always show grace. Elmo learned that a friend always offers a hand to help someone up when they cannot stand. And even if you end up falling down too, it's still right to put someone else before you. Elmo captured a message that everyone knows. Sharing is caring, as the old saying goes. Rosita and Zoe know the best thing to do is not to eat ice cream with one spoon, but two. Elmo noticed some kindness is shown with the broom, or by raking the leaves, or by cleaning your room. Kindness takes practice, but when you deliver, you may be surprised. It's great being the giver. Elmo stopped at the park. He had finished his quest. His mom had been right. Being kind was the best. As Elmo and Julia took turns on the slide, the little red monster felt all warm inside. Back home with his photos, Elmo sat down and thought of the things that he did seen around. The generous spirit of family and friends showed him the best way to mark the day end. When his mother came home a bit later that night, a hug from her Elmo made all the world bright. He gave her a gift tied with red bows galore, and she opened it up as they sat on the floor. The gift was a scrapbook with a note on page one that read, "Happy Kindness Day, with love from your son." They flipped through the photos. Together they found that kindness is what makes the world go around.
I hope you enjoyed the story. To listen more stories with me, please subscribe to my channel, Storytime with Sonia Panda. Take care, friends.